welcome Tom Drexler and Klaus Selmer.
Wow. Welcome everybody here in Munich. Welcome in our nice, hot location. You know, circular economy. This is a circular audience here. So joining me on stage is Klaus Selmer, CEO of Škoda Auto. And even welcome to the guys outside, online in the stream. This year, we are celebrating our 130th birthday. That begs the question, what will the future bring for Škoda? What will the future bring for our customers? Today, we will see the next step. Our vision for the future of the Combi. Klaus, why did we develop this concept car and why a Combi?
Yeah, thank you for the question, Tom. First of all, good evening, everybody. We love you to be here. Thank you for dedicating your time to the future of Škoda. Now coming to the reasons, there are actually more than 3.6 million reasons why we have come up with a Combi VisionO that we are about to see here, because this is how many customers so far have bought Combis, be it the Superb or be it the Octavia, carrying the badge of Škoda. Matter of fact, we are leading the segment of Combis in Europe since 2016. And these 3.6 million customers, we feel a strong obligation to continue the legacy of our Combi models, to take them to the next level in all facets, like safety, like quality, like functionality, AI, design, sustainability, and as always with Škoda, value for money. And this obligation to offer a car that serves as a companion for work and for leisure, especially on long-distance drives. This obligation to these customers is also why we are here tonight. It brings us to this location to show you our idea of a fully evolved Škoda future Combi.
So I think 1 minute we still have. So do you want to give us a hint of what to expect?
Yeah, I'm more than happy to. I think everybody is excited and waiting for that cloth to be moved. But let me give you a little more details. At Škoda, as you know, you always get a little more than you expected. And this is also something that you will hopefully feel today with us. 3 years ago, we, together with many in this room, showed you the Vision 7S. And with that car, we introduced our modern solid design language that is now visible in the Enyaq, in the Elroq, in the Epic. And today we are also taking our design language to the next level, presenting our vision for the future. You get it, I can see it, I can see the mobiles going up, of Škoda, the VisionO. Go.
What if a car was shaped by questions, not assumptions?
Can a car be made from more sustainable materials?
Could the lighting follow my day's rhythm?
What was that charming place we just passed?
Could someone else do the meeting minutes for once?
Can a car say hi like it means it?
Can simplicity be the most advanced thing of all?
Can I relax even in the middle of a hectic city? What if we just kept driving?
it is, the Škoda Vision O.
And here we are again. Wow. Oof, it's a wow.
Yes.
So, Klaus, let's talk about the details. What defines the Vision O exactly?
I think, first of all, I hope you all agree, it is a bold statement about how we envision the electrified future of Škoda's Combi heritage. It defines the next generation of our design language, inside and out, while still being recognizable clearly as a Škoda. And what's key? This concept shows how we incorporate our customer-first approach into designing a new car. So we developed it thinking it inside out, completely from our customer's perspective. The redesigned interior features minimalistic design with a maximum of intuition and intelligent features for a seamless customer journey. In a nutshell, VisionO is your extended living room, your personal assistant, and your everyday companion.
Okay, Klaus, we are both drivers. We love companions, and we love to be a companion. But, so, a little bit more. What are your highlights?
Yeah, there are many highlights, and I would say customers will get a completely new and intuitive in-car experience, including the new Škoda Horizon display for both front passengers. Another first is the new Škoda bio-adaptive lighting, automatically adapting interior ambient lighting to natural light cycles, creating a comfortable, well-being environment. Our voice assistant, Laura, becomes a real personal assistant, powered by AI. She will guide our customers on their journey by planning routes, adapting them to personal preferences, sharing helpful information on surroundings, taking meeting notes, and much more.
So, driving will even be more convenient?
Absolutely, this is the goal. We're always listening to our customers, and that's why VisionO has been a balanced combination and will be a balanced combination of voice, touch, and haptic controls. And it will be even more convenient thanks to VisionO's advanced autonomous driving capabilities. Leaning back and enjoying the ride is the goal.
Okay, talking about ride, Klaus. Our combi drivers like to drive. They like to drive long distances. So it's possible with the car?
We don't want to reveal everything. It is still a concept car, but you are right. Its minimalistic design provides maximum efficiency through optimized aerodynamics, enabling a long range, even over significant distances. We are also taking sustainability to the next level, by the way. O stands for circularity. For us, it means making maximum use of materials, reducing environmental impact for the full life cycle. And we're talking about monomaterials, we're talking about plant-based materials, repurposed waste, but without compromising on quality or aesthetics. But we can talk all evening about that.
Yes.
I think it's a real honor and pleasure to welcome somebody on stage who will give you a deeper dive into the amazing details of this concept, my favorite designer of the world, and our head of design, Oliver Stefani. Please join me on stage.
Please welcome Oliver Stefani.
Thank you very much, Klaus, my favorite CEO.
Good.
So we designers, we love to do show cars, for sure, because designing a show car is our look into the future and to see what the future brings in our new strategy. And it's our time to dream. There's not always time to dream, but when we do a show car, we can allow to dream, and we have to dream a bit. So VisionO is the next level of modern solid design, as we heard, and we're looking forward with this car, so it's very modern, and we're not looking back. This is also very important. But for us, car design is not just about lines or surfaces or volumes, it's also about experiences. Experiences of our customers. Fleet customers, business customers, we have a lot of them, and also private customers, of course. And their needs is where we start with the design. And one design that is very important to me, but also for us at Škoda, is simplicity. Today we live in a world of noise and complexity, and VisionO should bring back clarity and simplicity. Simplicity in the design, but also in the functionality. We developed VisionO as a holistic approach from the inside to the outside, and overall touch points. We created a car that should be more than just a car, it should be a companion. Also, you manage this. And a connector between human and technology. So I would say, let's have a look at the interior, Klaus.
Yes, more than happy to do so. Now, you will be surprised that I will be sitting in the back. I want to test the spaciousness, but first of all, I want to give the camera and you all a good view of everything we show inside.
And I would like to start with the overall feeling. Also what you see here is like in the exterior, is this bold expression that you were also mentioning, Klaus. It's simplicity, it's the lines, it's stretching, it's democratic, and also on the same time it's also symmetric. What is really new on this car is our horizon display that you see here, the Škoda horizon display that stretches from pillar to pillar, and there you have all the information that you need for driving and also when you need them. That is very important. So you control this by the steering wheel and also by this smart dial here. And you can change the information level on the screen very easily here with the buttons on the steering wheel. And you see also these widgets, and when I use the one in the center console, I can also change these widgets to whatever I would like to.
And Oliver, let me just jump in. I remember the day when you guys from design with your interior specialists came and presented that concept. And I can share with everybody that we were actually very hesitant because we said, is that what our customers really prefer going forward? Is that what they want? And we actually sent you back and said, this is a brilliant way to fill Škoda identity with a new feature, but will it be accepted by customers? And I think you did a lot of testing, right?
Yes, what we do, and we took this very serious, your concern, because also we were not sure, because there's no driver display here in front of us, no augmented reality, no VHUD. So are people accepting this? And we did a lot of testing with internal customers and external customers, and the result was, yes, they accept this for Škoda, and I think also that's a very good idea for Škoda, because again, it shows simplicity and also usability. So this is very important. For this also, we have the center display vertical, where we have a lot of interaction by touching in the middle console and on the steering wheel. We're doing this by haptical controls. What is also very important for us is this usability that every Škoda should have. Talking about the Škoda adaptive lighting, the bio-adaptive lighting that you was mentioning earlier, you see that we have a lot of light sources, direct light sources and indirect light sources in the doors, in the center console, and this really should help you on long distance drives because it's related to the biorhythm of the passengers and the cars, so to create an atmosphere that is really well-being, very comfortable, and gives you a lot of, let's say, good feeling in the Škoda.
And actually the objective for us will be, when this car hits the road, that people arrive more relaxed than when they started. Today it's the opposite, as we all know.
Especially when they do long drives.
Exactly.
So, and talking about circularity, also a very important issue for the VisionO is when I take this seat, and especially when we look at the headrest. The headrest is 3D printed. Very cool. From sustainable materials, and also we can bring it back into the circular loop, because also we can recycle this, and that's very good. There's no waste on this one. It's really cool, and we have a lot of materials like this, like in the seats, in the dashboard, and the doors, everything. And one surprise, Klaus, yeah? So in every door, we have some kind of department. It's like a glove box. So when we open this, you can open this, and you see now we have umbrellas in all doors. 4 umbrellas for our customers. So that's a nice idea.
I'm not. Thank you. Yes, let's see whether the 4 umbrellas make it into the series version, because that's also 4 times the cost, right?
That's the part of dreaming, Klaus. Okay,
but
let's
I
close
think
the
it's
doors.
marvelous. Thank you.
So now talking about the exterior design. it is really this bold and simplicity statement what we were discussing before. And what I'm really proud of this, there's not many lines and details, but this one section which is very, very modern. There's just one section with this bone here going to the wheel arches, and this creates so much attention and so much emotional view. When you look from this position, my favorite position, and you see where the wheel arches is with the sharp lines and the shoulder, that's great. That's really great. The car is aerodynamically designed, swooping lines, very interesting B-pillar concept we have here, and this little element on top is the Škoda hut check. And coming to the front, we turn the car around. So the front is a development from our tech deck that you know already on the Aeroc. And this time we have the tech deck here as well. We have the Škoda lettering illuminated. We have the Škoda gesture that is very, very important because it's very Škoda. And then we integrated everything into something that we now call the tech loop on this car. Yeah? And this is also the VisionO. So this is also the holistic story we're talking about. Very interesting lights, very welcome scenarios we have here as well. And of course, at Škoda, and we talk about the combi, we have to talk about the rear, we have to talk about the loading space, the trunk. So let's move this around. And I can say even on the show car, because this is custom experience, yeah, we want to create a real good trunk. So we have 650 liters there as well. And we achieved this also by bringing the car really outside with the shut lines. And I show you this in the minute when the car stops, like this. So we can open it here. Later it will be somewhere else. And when you look in the car, it's very comfortable, very spacey. And also here, we use the gray zones also to have some more simply clever ideas, like a litter box or a storage box. When you sit there after biking, changing shoes, you know, you can do this. We have a box for the charging cable. We have hooks and everything in the car. So this is also absolutely typical Škoda. And also on the rear, you will find the same section that we have in the front bumper. We have these T-shaped lights. We have the loop idea here as well. And of course, we have the Škoda lettering. So this is how we imagine the Škoda next level. And what I would like you to remember from this car, from this presentation, is 3 ideas. It's simplicity, that is very important. It's connection, and it's also experience. Not just a car, but a companion. Thank you very much.
Oliver, thank you very much. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. Oliver, great, and the whole team, of course, you've done an amazing job. The VisionO is one of our biggest steps in terms of a bold new design and an intuitive in-car experience. This concept advances the combi and our modern solid design language into the next stage of automotive evolution, and it puts the driver, our customers, first. We are building on our combi legacy and taking it to an electrified future. The stage is now open for you to discover the VisionO. Ladies and gentlemen, please feel free to ask all our experts in the room about this beautiful concept. Thank you for being here and enjoy the evening. Thank you.
Thank you for attending the show. Please use this opportunity to have a closer look at Škoda's VisionO.